Good morning, class. Today we are determining properties and functions of paper towels, determining whether the information is sufficient and reliable as well. Our discussion question is going to be, is one paper towel more absorbent or stronger than another, such as Bounty or Viva? Why or why not? And the skill we are trying to learn and practice today is collecting information representing diverse perspectives and systematically questioning and assessing the validity and accuracy of information. Now, in the real world, you will need to determine the validity of claims made for products by many companies, and that's up to you so that you know what you are spending your money on. I have included 10 resources today. These are not all of the resources, and you are welcome to choose other resources that are accurate and reliable. First two things on here are two videos from Discovery Education showing what paper is made from and how paper is made. There's also an Encyclopedia Britannica website that you can go and look up paper and how it's made, and hopefully that will confirm what you saw on Discovery Education so that you have more than one resource backing up your information. I've also included two videos on here. One is a student doing a project testing absorbency of paper towels, and the other one is a student testing the strength of the paper towels. I've included a little fun Bounty commercial from the 80s showing the types of claims that companies make, and these are the types of claims you see that you have to prove or disprove in everyday life. I also have a video on how do paper towels absorb, and how paper towels absorb water is another video. Both of these are very good informational pieces. I included Viva Towels page so that you can look up the information on Viva Towels and also on Bounty Towels to see if there's any good information on those pages. If there's another paper towel you want to look up, you're welcome to do so and include the information in your discussion answer. Now let's go find our answer to our question. Thank you.